Hi, my name's Mark. Welcome to Membership Websites. So how do you make the text stronger in this area? You see the text is currently set to white and it's against the dark blue background. So how do we make the text a bit stronger? One of the ways we could do this is by going into your admin area, Toolbox Menu Manager, go down to Main Menu, Customize, and then we're going to edit a section just here. So the section we want to edit, we can open up the cogwheel just here, and we want to edit the menu item class. And we're just going to type in lowercase bold. Now we can repeat this for all the elements that we want bold. So just do it in lowercase. We're going to save the changes. And then we're going to refresh the website. And we've changed the first two to bold, so you see that the text looks a lot stronger just here. You can also control the font that you want to use quite simply by going to Settings, Design Settings, and then you can select the menu font family just here. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.